Hey folks, I'm HB, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a nasty blues rock tune. I uploaded a video some time ago, Run Bitch Run. It's a really cool song. And some of you might have misunderstood the title of it, but most of you wanted to have a tutorial about this video. And the original video is in the description, the link. And so let's see how it sounds and that you can play. Yeah, that was the tune, a little bit easier for you, that also the beginners or the starters on the guitar can have a chance to play too. And to get started, first of all, we need to tune the guitar down to a drop D. Means the low E string is tuned down to a D, and that's all. That's the main blues rock tuning for me. I just love this drop D tuning, especially in blues rock. It's really like nasty. It's a really nasty thing. Yeah, and to really get the tune going on, you need to have a steady, really steady, damped 8 chord thing going on. You don't even have to press anything, because in drop D tuning, we have just the 3 low strings there are tuned. So you put your hand in damping position here and just move down. So the first exercise, before we even start to learn the riff, you need to have this thing done, because it's the main part of the song. Now the trick is, if you want to play it with a drum or with a tune, you have to be very steady, like a how do you call that? This hammer where you open up roads, like just slower, like very this way. And if you're not totally precise on the beat, you will slow down the groove or just doesn't make it fuzzy. You want to have it steady and Let's see now with the track. So just let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Steady, like If you can talk with it, then you're pretty cool. And what you don't see here is that my foot is also going with the beat, so you have to be able to have this together. The see, that's my foot. You don't see it here. Then you're cool to go. Now let's see the 3 main riffs, and they're really cool. And most of it is this, what you already learned. Okay, the first riff is. So we have this damped thing going on again, twice, and there. This is a D7, 7th fret, 5th. And when you play those chords, you release the damped hand. See? See? So 1 and 2 and 3, and then we go in the 5th and the 4th. Then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and then comes a little single note line. It's 60 notes, 3, 5, 3, 5 is hammer on 3rd fret and back to the 5th. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. And this starts on count 3, if I'm right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Or count 2, wait, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 yes, on count 2 if I'm right. Now, however you see it in the tabs. I don't know it by heart anymore. Yeah, so that's the first part, and you just keep it steady going. Really makes it juicy. You can make a pinch harmonic here in the 3rd fret. And also on the ending now. Pinch harmonic, move the pick down and just take it with the front side of the pick and really cool stuff. Yeah. So just a little bit itchy here. Then comes the second part, and that's very simple, pretty similar to the first exercise. But now comes the trick. To make it really pushing hard, you make 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you make these accents or articulations on 4, and you go in the 3rd fret, and the power chord in drop D is very simple. Just make a bar over 3. So, well, yeah, you call those anticipations. There are a little bit before on 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you keep it till 1 and you continue to play on 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 1. See, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you move up in the 4th and in the 5th fret. This is really cool. And repeat the whole thing another time, and then we're through with the second part. Let's see how that sounds. Now we're going to the last part. Till now we were always on D. Now you have chords F and G coming in, popping in. And we make lettering chords. F, taken from the normal F. But we want to have it cooler. We release the middle finger, makes a F sus, add 9. Well, no, it's a sus 9. And then G, add 9. Just here, press in the 2nd fret, open D and open B. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Very simple. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then comes a 1, 2, 3, 4. So then comes a little riff. So first, again the low 3 strings, 1, 2, and then we go in the 10th fret, 3, 4, all in quarter notes. So of course I played all in another way, but we make a simple version. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this little riff. We make Barrio with 3, 13, 12, and 10th fret. And check my fingering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See? That was the first part of the ending riff. Now again, F. then again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3. And then in the second bar we have just 8 notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 to F and then to A5. And then we have the whole thing finished. So let's check this part. Yeah, these were the 3 parts now. Now I put them all together in one row, and that sounds pretty cool, and it's really pretty easy to play, so it's for all of you, I guess. At least when it comes to the main theme. Yeah, folks, that was the main theme, a little bit simplified, of my song Run Bitch Run. Pretty nasty blues rock guitar with drop D tuning. It's really cool. It's not too hard to play, even it sounds pretty strong and pretty wild. If you have these things going on, then you're pretty ready to go. If the whole thing is too hard, you can play the whole thing like this. Just when the F and the G comes, you switch then when they come back to the main thing, and you really can have fun with that one. It's really a lot of fun. Yeah, what more to say? The tabs and this backing track, the original one, can be downloaded at HP Crazy Students Club. You should join there because this is now my main social media profile for HP Crazy. Yeah. I'm probably going to make it Instagram, whatever, but you have to join there. And if you have any suggestions for new tutorials, you can place them there as well and build up a community with the other students, because my goal is now to build a community. We have got some fun with guitar. Guitar playing is really cool. Yeah, and just keep it cool and rocking. Me and Dr. Pink. Yeah, bye.